So autumn is in the air, it's getting a little bit colder, and if you don't fancy porridge or it's a bit too cold for a berry smoothie, then this is for you. I wanted to make something that's really nourishing, really warming, but also helps keep your hormones in balance. So my base for this is going to be butternut squash. Now I've had roasted squash leftovers that I've just used half a cup of that I'm going to throw in the blender. And that butternut squash is really, really high in loads of nutrients, minerals, vitamins, but beta carotene, vitamin A, is really important. Now this is great for eyesight, and then you've got vitamin C in there, which is amazing for immune health and your skin, so you'll just be glowing. It's fabulous, and it's a really nice complex carbohydrate with fiber, which means it helps get things moving in your gut. And we know that when things are moving in your gut, excess hormones can be excreted, which is good news. Then we're going to put in some flaxseed. Now flax is an amazing it's a plant form of omega-3, even though it's not as absorbable as the fish source, it's great. And it helps bind to excess estrogen and again helps pull them out the body. We're going to add some protein powder, so you can use whatever protein powder you like. I go for a plant-based one. This is pea protein powder. And that helps slow that release of carbohydrates, helps rebuild muscles and repair the body. So that's really important, and it will keep you fuller for longer. Then I'm going to add some cinnamon, which is an amazing spice for blood sugar balancing. Some nutmeg to give that autumnal feel. It's like that pumpkin pie spice, which is delicious. And I'm going to use some plant milk just to get the consistency going. Now you can either make it into a smoothie or a smoothie bowl. I like sitting down in the morning and eating something with a spoon. So you just add less liquid and less milk, and that will help give you a nice bowl texture. It's basically like a yogurt. And then when that's done, I'm going to top it up with some almond butter and some hemp seeds and maybe some chopped banana on top, just to give it a bit of texture. Breakfast is perfect for a chilly morning. It is going to keep your blood sugars balanced, it is going to keep your energy where it needs to be, the nutrients are going to help your skin glow, and just for you to feel so amazing that you will thank me, I promise. So I am going to enjoy my breakfast.